Do you have an 8th grader interested in applying for our district's advanced programs like Cambridge ACE, International Baccalaureate, or the FGCU Collegiate Academy? Maybe your 8th grader is interested in applying for one of our arts programs, or even both. This tutorial will walk you through the necessary steps of how to complete this application process for advanced and/or arts programs through our Focus Parent Portal. Please note that while acceptance criteria are established at each school, the number of available seats is limited. For this reason, families should consider applying to special programs at each school of interest. First things first, though, have you completed a choice application? If not, this can be done via the Focus Parent Portal by selecting the Choice Application button. If you have completed a choice application, you are ready to move on. Once in the Focus Parent Portal, go to Forms and click on High School Arts and Advanced Programs Applications. Parents are advised to select a student from the drop-down menu and the application will load. The Advanced Programs Arts application will populate programs for your student's zone based on your home address and subzone. Parents then select the programs their student is applying to and are encouraged to make multiple selections. Please note that while parents may apply for any special program offered within their zone, transportation is only guaranteed based on the family's address and assigned subzone. Next, if you select 2 or more programs, an extra page called the Program Preference section will automatically pop up. Here, you will simply rank your choices in order of preference for your student. For arts applications, an additional page will appear, allowing parents to choose the student's specific area of interest and audition dates. Once selections are made, click the Submit Request button to complete this step. Parents will receive a confirmation email outlining their advanced and arts program choices. Please note that if an additional application is submitted, the previous one will be voided, so proceed with care. If your student is brand new to the school district of Lee County, there will be a field where additional uploads are required for them, like report cards, for example. Once the application window closes, the application will be removed from the Focus Parent Portal. Then the high schools will make determinations, hold arts auditions, and so on. You may be wondering, how will I know if my child has been accepted into an advanced or arts program? Well, families will be notified when they can view their student's acceptance or denial. A student may receive acceptance from more than one school program. Parents must log back into their Focus portal and indicate their student's final decision, either to select or decline placement in only one magnet program of study. Then click Submit and Finish, and you are all done. If a student was chosen for an advanced program and an arts program, they may select arts as their secondary study. Therefore, their primary path will be the advanced program with the arts as a secondary focus. The parent will then receive an email confirming their student's upcoming high school enrollment and placement into a special program. If the parent declines all advanced or arts programs during the final decision phase, or if the student is not accepted into either programs, the student will be placed back into the open enrollment system. For any additional information or listing of our important application dates and deadlines for high school advanced or arts program applications, please visit our website at leeschools.net.